Nagulat ako.
Hi! It's our freshie walk.
Freshie walk?
Freshie walk. Not so
Hulas walk.
The freshie, not so fresh.
Ayan, good morning, freshies of the CMIP. Sa mga gawin dyan.
Hi guys, if you don't know, I am a first year RadTech student who wants to share my experience and journey with you. And I want to share this with you then, and because for myself then, in the future, if I want to go back, I can go back. Hey, and also, nung nag-research pa lang ako ano meron sa RadTech, pagiging RadTech, ano yung mga meron doon, and what are the subjects and kineme, wala akong mahanap. So, I hope na through this video, ma-help ko kayo to kung anong meron sa pagiging RadTech. And ngayon na first year ako, we have 3 major subjects: Intro to Radiation, where it, of course, introduces us in our course. Human Anatomy and Physiology, where, of course, it's about our body, how it functions, give insights or like cells or respiratory muscles. Yeah, it talks about our body, of course. And then radiation production and characteristic, it's about radiation, atoms, protons, electrons, like how they commit or how they become radioactive. I don't know lang guys kung it differs yung mga professional and core courses is nagdi-differ kada ibang school, kasi nung at least in our school, yun yung professional or major subject namin. So, di ko alam kung nag-iiba siya kapag iba yung school.
Heartbreak is too close to home, got me searching places where my mind can roam. God, heartbreak is too close to home, got me searching places where my mind can roam. God, I don't know, but I've been here before, know it too well, and I don't like it at all.
Transcend to infinity and beyond.
So, I'll be sharing my experience sa General Assembly. For me, it was fun. It's like a concert type fun. Kasi may mga nag-perform. And then, ayun, General Assembly is like, nagsama-sama lahat ng nasa department nyo from first year to third year. I think, I'm not sure about the 4th years. Kasi I think intern na sila. So, hindi ko alam kung kasama sila dun. Pero, yeah, it was fun kasi nagsama-sama doon. And nag-perform yung mga orgs doon, like yung mga dance and then bands, which was fun. And as nakita nyo, kasama yung isa kong tropa doon na nag-perform. And the admins, profs, and other faculty also nag-perform sila. So, sila like yung pinakahuli nag-perform. And then, nagpalaro din sila, so it was fun. So, I think, and one of the goals ng General Assembly is syempre makilala nyo ang isa't isa, like, sa department nyo. And, actually, hindi ko siya in-expect na may ganun pa. So, it was surprising for us. So, yeah.
Come spring, honey, let me hold your hand. It don't matter if they understand or not. We'll be cruising through 805. We'll be singing on these LA nights, going like la 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 la.
These are so good. I know, right? Reminds me of that one time I slayed a dragon, cooked it over an open flame.
Oh, well. Hey, Zoro, you gotta try this.
I've got all I need right here.
Heartbreak is too close to home. Got me searching places where my mind can't roam. God, heartbreak is too close to home. Got me searching places where my mind can't roam. God, I don't know, but I've been here before. Know it too well, and I don't.
Our cheek bones. Sinahan nyo sa jugular foramen, that is located. So hide others. Alright. So let us determine the different parts.
Ka-LK, tas kami mag-a-alias kami sa tabi mo.
Your presence is enough. So we're gonna have a samgyu. Sabi na unlivings mo na yun. Unlivings tayo. Nagawa mo.
May specific dance ka mo si Rian pag masaya siya.
Ayoko gamitin.
Naubuhan!
Hindi! Parang dinadyan. Rodrigo.
Nagbibilang ng sandali, pintig ng puso ko'y bumibilis.
Tapos, ito.
Mundo'y ating iwanan, maaari lang sana.
Shit.
Hoy, magbibilang pa lang! Nakakainis ka! Nagbibilang ng sandali, pintig ng puso ko'y bumibilis.
Ayan, nag-iba na naman siya nakata. Sabi tagpuan ka.
So yeah, right now, I'm gonna share my experiences after 2 months in uni. Nung una, like nung summer, I thought na may isingit ko talaga yung pag-workout ko. Kasi kapag busy talaga ako dati, gigising ako ng maaga just to work out. Naisisingit ko siya. Ay, ngayon talaga, hindi ko siya nasisingit sa sobrang pagod. Like, physically and mentally pagod. Like, hindi ko siya in-expect na ganun para talaga siya. And after, like, a month lang, kitang-kita ko na agad sa mata ko nakita ko na agad yung kung gaano nilaki ng eye bags ko. As in, like, first time ko makitang or ma-notice agad yung eye bags ko kapag tumitingin ako sa mirror, agad nakikita ko super noticeable niya na ngayon. And then, talagang, at first, syempre, ma-shock ka. And, you need to really adjust and kailangan mo malaman talaga kung paano sila magbigay, paano sila magturo, kilalanin nyo yung profs nyo. And, it is really essential to know that kasi, alam nyo kung paano isisingit or para maayos or ma-organize nyo yung time nyo. So, it is really a must to adjust and know them. And as early as siguro senior high school, dapat pinapractice nyo na talaga how to organize and how to discipline yourself. Kasi para kapag dating nyo ng college, hindi na kayo super mabibigla. Kasi nung senior high school talaga ako, I really practice that para hindi ako mabigla. And kahit tinatamad ako, gusto ko talagang like, ayoko siya i-tolerate na pag tinamad ako, like, hindi ko na siya gagawin or tatamad din ako, higa lang ako, ganun. Ayoko siyang gawin ganun yung sarili ko kasi alam kong mahihirapan ako sa college. So, yeah, maybe, if magka-college ka pa lang and you want to enter med course or pre-med course, really practice to discipline and manage your time or organize yourself. It's really helpful, promise. And I wanna share na learn some techniques like kung paano ka or know your study habits and learn some techniques. Like kunyari pag maghuhula ka, do the elimination method, or kapag tinatamad ka, do the 5 seconds method, or basta mag-search ka ng mga techniques kung paano mo ma-handle or magagawa or yung isang bagay. Ayun, basta yun. Pero so far, yun pala yung nalalaman ko. And I'm saying lang yung mga na-experience ko, okay? So, alam kong first year pa lang ako and madami pa akong matututunan. So, hindi lang ito yung basta ito pala yung nararanasan ko, okay guys? Also, kapag as early as senior high school, dapat alam mo na yung study habits mo kasi it will help you a lot in college talaga. Like, if you are more productive sa gabi or if you're more productive sa umaga or kung paano mo na-absorb yung lesson. Ako kasi personally, I'm a morning person. So, kapag talagang gabi na, natutulog na ako. Kahit madami pa akong kakabisa doon, ang gagawin ko na is gigising ako ng madaling araw. Kasi kapag gabi, kaya ko naman siya ipilit. Although, mabagal ko siya ma-process sa utak ko. So, kapag gabi na talaga, at least like natutulog na ako and then gigising na lang ako ng maaga. Doon ako mag-aaral. Kasi mas na-absorb ko siya sa umaga. Yun. So, importante guys also na pick your friends wisely kasi they can affect you as well. And then, again, as early as possible or like senior high school, dapat alam nyo na kung paano yung study habits nyo and learn to discipline and time management talaga. It will really help you in college. Study habits and learn some techniques, guys. Important din yon. Pero ang pinaka-importante is rest. Okay? Kasi in med school or in pre-med or yeah, talagang super dami mong i-absorb and kailangan nyo din magpahinga guys, okay? To recharge and para iwas breakdown. And again, in a week, dapat sa isang week, may isang day kayo na allotted for yourself lang. Pero pag hindi talaga kaya, at least a half day or a half day of a week. Dapat meron kayong self time. Okay? Kasi super magiging draining siya para sa inyo if wala kayong ganong oras or wala kayong me, myself, and I time every week. Kahit half day lang ng isang araw or a whole day, dapat may ganun kayo para maiwasan yung pagka-drain nyo sa school. And guys, please take care of yourself. Huwag kayong magkakasakit kasi in med school. it's like illegal na magkasakit, okay? Like, isang araw ka palang wala, parang sila, layo-layo na nang narating nila na lesson. Ay, mahirap maghabol, guys. And kapag umuulan, magpayong kayo, wag kayo magpapaulan kasi mahirap nga magkasakit. Kapag may nararamdaman na kayo, uminom na kayo ng gamot. And important na rin na meron kayong katinko or yung something white flower. Kasi it will help you din. Really, kapag magre-review ka, just apply ka nun. Yeah, wag kayo magkakasakit. Also, I want to share na kapag pumasok ka pala talaga dito, super humbling, nakaka-humble yung mga score mo, yung grades mo, talagang makaka-humble ka. Like 88, overall 80 pa lang, parang, thank you Lord. Pero ngayon, actually ngayon, nasashock pa ako, medyo naiiyak pa ako sa mga grades ko. Although prelim pa lang, there's a lot of improvements kasi, or at least, like, dapat kapag, kunyari, in a subject, kapag alam nyo na yung grades nyo, dapat alam nyo, kahit masakit tignan yung grades nyo, dapat alamin nyo kung saan kayo naglalak, kung saan kayo, saan yung kulang nyo sa subject na yun, or parang, saan ka nagkukulang doon, para ma-improve and mataas nyo yung scores. And as average student, tapos makikita ko yung score ko ngayon, for me, it's really shocking. It's not giving. Really, it's not giving. Pero yeah, prelim pa lang naman. Gagaslight ko yung sarili ko. Prelim pa lang. There's a lot to improve. Okay, guys? And, syempre, kailangan nyo din alamin kung anong dapat kailangan nyo i-improve sa subject na yun. And then, yung mga minor nyo, o kahit minor pa yun, basta yung minor nyo, take it seriously din. Like, okay lang kahit hindi yung super seriously. Like, in an average lang. Kahit, kasi siya yung nagpapataas din ng G1 nyo, guys. So, really, try not to fail those subjects. Kasi, siya din yung nagpapataas. Or nagdadagdag at least. So, yeah, for me, it's very shocking and it's not giving. Thank you very much for listening and please take it seriously yung mga sinabi ko kanina. Kasi totoo yun.